I got myself a best grill brush right here, and I've used this a few times. I've had it about 2 weeks, and I mostly use these kind of brushes on my propane grill, and I'll run a little picture of it right here so that way you can see me using it. But this is going to be the show and tell right here. So I went ahead and I took my char griller offset here, and I started a small fire in it, just enough to get me up in the temperature to warm it up so it makes it a little bit easier to clean. I like to clean with a warm grill, preferably in the 225 range, but we only got it just under 200 with that amount of fuel. And if you needed more fuel, you could add it. And I probably will do that to finish the seasoning after I'm done with the cleaning. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and let's see if we can get you a close-up here. These ones were really bad, so that's why I focused the camera over here the most. And I'm going to go ahead and just use some simple olive oil and spray it on the grill. So now that I've sprayed this down, I'm going to go ahead and take my brush and run it across here. And look how it just rips off all of that mold and mildew right off of those grill grates. Now, you know me, I always use a grill mat on my smokers. So I don't have to be perfect, but I need to get all of that garbage off of there and get it re-seasoned up. So, man, that is just coming clean like you would not believe. And I'm going to get another close-up view for you here so that way you can see it work. So I'll finish that up off camera, but I want to tell you that what my favorite thing about this is that look how well this fits in those grill grates, and these sideways bristles tend to fit more of the grills than any other pattern that I've worked with. Coil brushes are hit or miss. That is one of my favorite things about it. The angle is really nice. It's easy to use. Now, some people are concerned about the bristles, and I have to tell you, I'm a little concerned about it too, but I've never had a problem with it. I do take and I wipe down all of my grill surfaces after they're done cleaned with a nice rag. So I just go ahead. This is really not very hot at all in here, by the way. After I'm done scrubbing that all up, I go ahead and just wipe it down and then spray it with a little bit more oil. And wipe it down again. And then there's no reason to even be concerned about anything at that point. This brush did all the heavy lifting, did all the hard work, and then wiping it off just for safety's sake, so that way I'm more comfortable about it. Now, so far, I want to say, since I've only had it a couple of weeks, I want to say I've used it maybe 9 times, and most of the times were actually on the propane grill, and I have had no issues with it. And you can see on the close-up here what good shape it's in. And again, how will it last over a couple of years? Well, I buy 3 or 4 brushes a year as it is, and I'm a heavy user, but that's normal for me. So if this thing lasts you a couple of years, especially for this price, I think you'll be in really good shape. Also, keep these things in a dry place where it's not outdoors and exposed to weather, because this kind of stuff will tend to rust really fast. I'm really happy with this, and I think if you buy it, you'll be happy too.